since April. Some of the stocks that we've talked about on Market Mondays, Nvidia is up 46% since April.
Yep.
TSM is up 41% since April. QQQ. Shout out to Invesco. Invest with Invesco. We'll be at InvestFest.
Shout out to our
up 35%. This is just since April. MU is up 30%. ASML is up 40%. There's a variety of other stocks, but Twitter only allows you to do 120 characters. So these are just some stocks that we've championed. So, okay, mid-year, let's take an assessment, a mid-year assessment of things that have gone right in this situation, right? We could talk about Bitcoin for sure. MicroStrategy up $110. There's a variety of different things. Anything else come to mind?
Broadcom comes to mind.
Broadcom for sure.
It comes to mind.
Palantir.
Palantir definitely comes to mind. Vistra comes to mind. Vertiv comes to mind. It's been, Spotify has done incredible.
Spotify's been on the tear.
It's absolutely incredible.
And for those who loved it, to be honest, IONQ. Not one of my favorites, but those who got it early.
I think we're early. Yeah.
Yeah,
I think we're early. Yeah, there's just been a bunch in that AI data center economy, which took a hit early in the year. Like I said, two pivotal moments: DeepSeek, obviously in January, and then April 7th. What happened there? But since then, man, it's been
on the tear.
It's been on the tear.
Vanguard Technology Fund, VGT.
Oh, we forgot Robinhood as well.
Robinhood, gotta give credit to Vlad.
Yep.
And him fighting back for sure. So, and it brings me to a lesson that I had with Stock Club last week, but all of your fears and concerns go away if you hold for a 10-year period. Stop all the noise. Like, just hold for a 10-year cycle and you'll be good. I was looking at the price of Bitcoin 10 years prior and just seeing where it was 10 years ago. Like, that growth has been tremendous. I'm even seeing a few people starting to lean into Ethereum to hold for 10 years on institutional side. People in real estate already know about the 7-year hold, but if you just hold for 10, you'll be fine. You'll be fine.
I think somebody in the chat said I like Rigetti. Yeah, for quantum computing, I like the infrastructure plays, right? I just think we're a little early now.
Too early.
Yeah, we're a little early. But yeah, you're right. I did say that.
Yeah.
Okay. So yes, that just goes to show you if you listen to
hold on real quick. I mean to cut you off. Bro, a guy said we act like we're promised tomorrow. We are not, but our families are. At some point, we have to stop living for ourselves solely and live for others in the future, because we all say we wish someone would have invested for us, but then in turn around won't put in the work and hold for a 10-year period for someone else. I respect the comment, but hold for 10 years.
Oh, what's the
in terms of quantum computing?
What's the context of it?
Yeah,
just somebody said I act as if we're promised tomorrow. No,
well, you know what's funny about that is shout out to 19 Keys. We spoke earlier, and I spoke to him for like an hour, and he was saying one of the things that he said. He was like, Ian. He was like, people, have criticism for Ian as far as buy and hold, but he was like, to get people in our culture to commit to holding on to something for a long term is actually a miracle. So he was like, he actually needs to be championed
for sure,
encouraging people to take the long path, as opposed to, you could just say like, okay, this is, Shibu Inu, and I'm gonna get you 1,000% rate of return. Sure. You're being very responsible with the buy and hold strategy, and that's just been proven to work long term. So I think that people, like somebody put, even on Instagram, when I put that tweet up, and it was like, well, what's the sell price for NVIDIA? And the sell price is 10 years, right? 20 years, 30 years, that's the sell price. But you can't have long-term wealth with a short-term mind. That's vitally important. And kudos to Ian amongst everybody, Troy and everybody else, but Ian has definitely championed long-term investing. And I think that that's a very responsible decision that he's made. And I think that speaks to his dedication and wanting to see people succeed.
Hot take: the only people who want you to do short-term haven't built the real bag and real life, and they're trying to get the bag up off of you of doing short-term shit.
I mean, it's important, right? And that's why I was talking about. This has been a crucial 5 years from 2020 to present day. Is like you've seen these cycles. You see, I mean, this is 5 years feels like long term to a lot of people, but you've seen growth in 6 months. You've seen it in a year. You've seen it in 2 years. You saw a pullback in 2022, and now you saw the Nasdaq go up 23 and 24%, and probably was on pace to have another double-digit gain year. And I mean, we still might, but obviously, you know, new administration came in. But you've seen all these things in this cycle. So yeah, shout out to you and kudos to everybody that's executing. Because it's one thing for people to come in and listen. And shout out to Jocelyn, who said she got Cloudflare and is up 150%. Shout out to you for executing. The execution is the part, right? You could come here every week, but if you're not actually putting these things into action and seeing the benefits,
yeah. Even look in chat. What was the price of Bitcoin 10 years ago? I'm not a Bitcoin maxi. I had Bitcoin when it was on Mt. Gox. Shout out to Matt Schlitt, who put me onto it, just for context. But everyone I know who had it 10 years ago and still are holding it, they look like that Magic Johnson video y'all posted. The people I know who was holding Bitcoin for 11 and 12 years, they are living house in Mallorca, house in Mexico, house in like free. The real goal, put in chat, the real goal is freedom. As a futures trader that's able to get 3,000 to 4,000% a year in a predictive fashion, the best money for me has been the long-term holds.
That's a fact.
I'm sorry, like the quick money is fun, but the money when it's compounding year over year, especially when you don't touch it, that's why I get to talking like this, because it's the freedom part.
Yeah, I woke up this morning with a new goal. I think I'll wait to share it. I think I'm gonna do it in the next class, but I got a new goal. I used to say, let's get 100 shares, 100 doors. And then a lot of people got 100 shares. And then I was like, well, let's get to 1,000 shares. And so I've got a new goal with a specific company, and I'm gonna give the info on in the next class. Stay tuned for the date.
It's a freedom number is nothing more of calculation of equity plus the share price over time. Same thing with y'all in media. People ask, when y'all gonna quit? It's not time. A lot of people are surprised we made it to 5 years for Market Mondays. I'm like, if you know my investment table, nope, it ain't time. You got to know when to exit.
10-year minimum.